Dependable God. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still guarded. Reliable God. Everything is working out for my good.
Okay guys, so let me show you a few ideas I used in the song, and we're in the key of B major. So we're starting with the 1 chord. Alright, so let me show you that. Now, we start with the 1 chord, and it's just the basic B major chord, add 9 or add second, anyhow you want to call it. Okay, but the major thing here is the way I am playing it, the manner in which I'm playing it. I'm rolling it from the top to the bottom. That's from the F sharp to the B. You understand? So from top to bottom, from top to bottom. That's the APC, APC. From top to bottom. You understand? So after playing the 1 chord, I now did this. Yeah. Now what is that? This is just like substituting for 5, 4. You get the point. Substituting for the 5, 4. So I go. So let me break that down for you. So we did slowly. You get the point. So as I'm going from that B, then landing on that C sharp and F sharp, my left hand is gonna play A sharp, F sharp together with that C sharp and F sharp. You understand? So please take note. One thing you have to take note here is the key signature. In the key of B major, we have 5 sharps, so it means that the B flat you see in there should be A sharp. Please don't call it B flat. All right. So we go again. You can even add this G sharp here, but if you want to keep it like this, it's still fine. But if you want to add that G sharp there, it's still fine. That's on your left hand. Then now, did you see what I did there? I did D, C sharp, then as I'm landing on that B, my left hand now changes to G sharp, E, and F sharp. You get the point. So once again, you get a point. Okay. So even if this is the only move you can take from this video, I'll be so glad at least you learned something. So please try and work on it, and I believe you'll be fine. Okay, let me do another one. So you get it. Okay, I'm not gonna call out the notes here because I slowed it down for you just because of time. That's why I'm doing this. Okay. Okay, then I did. So then the next movement. Then I did. Yeah. And I played an arpeggio. That's all. So thank you so much, and I'm sorry I did not really talk about everything, but if you can get just, I'll be so glad. Thank you.